together, together. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good morning. I'm at school this morning. It's so nice to be here to do work for our classroom. I sure do miss all of our friends though. Clove is my only friend here today. Clove, you want to come say hi? Come on. Sometimes when there's no kids here, Clove likes to come to school and play on the playground. But today, Clove, I do not think you'll get to play on the playground. Maybe we could start with the weather today. Is it raining at your house? It is raining, raining, raining here at school today. All right, Clove, lay down. So our weather is rainy. Hey, lay down. There you go, good girl. All right, let's do our calendar. Do you remember what this month is called? Can you read it? May. We are still in the month of May. And May is a month that is in the season of spring. Come here. Let's count how many days we've had in May. We'll do it like a song. Lay down, Cliff. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What is after 19? Clove, please go over there. 20. Today is the 20th. Yesterday was Tuesday. Do you know what comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. All right. And our year? 2020. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. All right. We're going to start this morning with our Mindful Kid cards. Open our box. Ooh. Today's mindful activity is called bear breaths. To do bear breaths, we are going to lie down on the floor and pretend like you are a slumbering bear. If you want to go get a snuggle friend can join you for your bear breath. So if you want to get a snuggle friend, stop the video, go get it, and then start it again. All right, so we're gonna lie down and pretend like you're a sleeping bear. You can put your snuggle friend on your belly, leave it, lay down. And if you want to close your eyes, you can. We're gonna take some deep breaths. So deep that your snuggle friend floats up. Let's try it. When you breathe in, your snuggle friend will rise. When you breathe out, it will fall. Let's do that 3 more times. One. How did you like the ride, little owl? Okay, let's sit up and talk about how that made us feel. So when you were pretending to be a bear, sleeping and taking a big breath in, how did it feel in your body when you took in that deep breath? For me, it made me feel refreshed and awake. What about when you breathe out? I kind of felt like I was getting rid of all the air I didn't need anymore, so it made me feel lighter. Taking deep breaths is a great thing to do if you're feeling a way that you don't want to feel. If you're feeling angry or sad and you want to calm down, maybe you can find your favorite snuggle friend, pretend like you're a sleeping bear, and let it rise and fall as you take your deep bear breaths. All right, we are going to get back to our geography unit on North America. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back to our North America map. I know you guys are getting used to seeing this. I wonder if you can help me name the countries in North America that we've already learned about. Greenland, Canada, Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, El Salvador, Honduras. Today, we'll be focusing on the largest country in Central America. This country shares a border with Honduras. It also has a coastline to the Pacific Ocean and a coastline to the Caribbean Sea. This country is called Nicaragua. Nicaragua is known for having many volcanoes, for having beautiful beaches, and many other things. Let's read our book to learn more about Nicaragua. Nicaragua by Sweetie Peason. This is Nicaragua, tropical, volcanic, dazzling. Nicaragua is the largest country in Central America. It's almost as big as New York. Over 6 million people call Nicaragua home. Nicaragua is known as the land of lakes and volcanoes. The country also has flat, grassy areas and lush rainforests. High up in the Nicaragua mountains are cloud forests. There, clouds often cover the trees. For thousands of years, people have lived in Nicaragua. This rock was carved over 3,000 years ago. In the 1500s, Spain took over the western part of the country. During the 1600s, the British ruled the Mosquito Coast on the east. Nicaragua became free from Spanish rule in 1821. In 1895, the British gave up their control of the Mosquito Coast. Managua is Nicaragua's capital and biggest city. It's home to almost 1 million people. The main language in Nicaragua is Spanish. This is how you say market, mercado. This is how you say beans, frijoles. Most people in Nicaragua are Roman Catholic. They worship in big cathedrals and small churches. What's on the menu? A famous Nicaraguan dish is called gallo pinto. It includes rice, beans, and spices. Tostones are fried plantains. Plantains are similar to bananas. They're part of many meals. Time to play ball. Baseball is the most popular sport in Nicaragua. People love to visit Bosawas Biosphere Reserve. This rainforest is one of the largest in the world. Monkeys, jaguars, and sloths live in the rainforest. Another special place is Omptempe Island. The island was formed by 2 volcanoes. It sits in the middle of Lake Nicaragua. Wild pigs look for food on its many beaches. Nicaragua has many festivals. In October, people celebrate their ancestors during Las Agüetos. They dance, dress up like ghosts, and set off fireworks. The end. All right, I came outside to do this experiment. Since Nicaragua is known for volcanoes, I thought it would be cool if we tried to make our own volcano at home. So, it might get a little messy. That's why we're outside. I got a plate to do my experiment on. Okay, I got a plate to do my experiment on. I have a little jar. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dirt and try to build a volcano around this jar. Okay. There we go. That'll do. It's okay if the glass sticks out the top. Now, inside of the jar, I'm going to put baking soda, okay, I'm going to put a little squirt of soap, I'm going to put some water, and then I'm going to put a little bit of red paint so it'll look like lava. Okay, so now to make the volcano erupt, you'll need vinegar. If you have a dropper, it makes it a little easier to squirt it in, or we can pour it. I'll start with a squirt and see what happens. Let's try to make it. When the vinegar and the baking soda mix together, carbon dioxide is formed, and that's what makes it react. Putting the soap makes it look all bubbly, and putting the red paint makes it look like lava. All right, that was our experiment. I just wanted to get some more cool images of our volcano erupting. Wow. I hope you'll try this at home.
Okay, let's do our sign language. A, B, K, D, E, G, I, J, K, O, M, N, A, and our newest letter, Qu. Qu. Take your thumb and your pointer finger and you point them down. Qu. I had a qu, a bouncing letter qu. It was a queen named Queen Quachu. I ran to her quick and she questioned. I questioned, why do they call you that? Then she sneezed on my feet and she sneezed on my hat. Oh no. That is a silly poem and we would never sneeze on somebody. But sometimes these poems are just so silly. All right, so you need to know how to do qu. To do queen, you make your qu fingers, pretend like you're showing your queen sash. Queen. For quick, if you can snap, you snap. If you can't snap, just try your best. Quick. And question mark. You draw it in the air, just like you would on paper. All right. I had a qu, a bouncing letter qu. It was a queen named Queen Quachu. I ran to her quick and questioned, "Why do they call you that?" Then she sneezed on my feet and she sneezed on my hat. Oh my. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoy this rainy day. Hope you find a fun activity that you can do indoors. Or maybe you'll put on your rain jacket and rain boots and go on an adventure. Whatever you do, I hope you have fun. Adios.